So in today's video, let's cover a classic example between finding a limit. So let's say you need to find the limit between the region x approaches 0, sine x over x. So if you plug these values in, say you plug in sine of 0 over 0. What is sine of 0? Sine of 0 is still 0 over 0. We can't have 0 over 0. Okay, so now what we can do is we can differentiate the top and the bottom. So let's try to do that. So that would be cosine x, the limit as x approaches 0 of cosine x over 1. So what is cosine of 0 over 1? Cosine of 0 is 1 over 1 is still 1. So let's try another example. Let's say we have the limit as x approaches infinity of 3x squared plus 5x over 7x squared minus 4. So what we can do is we can differentiate both the top and the bottom. So we can say the limit as x approaches infinity of 6x plus 5 over 14x. We can then say, differentiate it one more time, and we can say 6 over 14, which is the same as 3 over 7. So we can solve this limit by simply using El Hospito. Okay? El Hospito. So we can also do one last example here. Let's say we have limit as x approaches 0, e to the x. A lot of students don't know how to differentiate e to the x. So if we say plug in 0 here, 1 minus 1 over 0, 0 over 0. Remember that e to the 0 is 1. Since, e is like 2.718 and so on. But anything to the 0th power is always 1. So in that case, we can say hospital, and we can differentiate this to that. So then we have 1 over 1, so that would be 1, okay? So that will stop the video here. Thank you guys for watching.